Dear students, this is the next exercise problem relating to stock level computation. The problem is, from the following data for the last 12 months, compute the average stock level for a component. Maximum usage in a month 300 units, minimum usage in a month 200 units, average usage in a month 225 units. So all these three informations are relating to consumption of material. So maximum consumption, minimum consumption and average consumption are given in your problem. Next, time lag in procurement of materials. This is relating to reorder period. So maximum reorder period is 6 months and minimum reorder period is 2 months. Then the reorder quantity is 760 units. Before calculate or compute the stock level, we need to consider the important informations about maximum consumption, minimum consumption, normal consumption, maximum reorder period and minimum reorder period and reorder quantity. These are all the important information we should consider while calculate the stock level. So all these informations are available. So we can go for calculate the average stock level. In this problem, they ask you to calculate only average stock level. So, there is two formulas available for calculating the average stock level. They are minimum stock level plus half of reorder quantity or half of maximum stock level plus minimum stock level. So these are all the two informations which is helpful to calculate the average stock level. Actually, in this problem, these stock level computations are a reverse process, because for calculating average stock level, we need two information. One is minimum stock level and half of reorder quantity. If you use the first formula, reorder quantity is already available in your problem, so that ready-madely we can apply. But what is the minimum stock level? It has to be computed. Or the next formula, if you calculate, it is half of maximum level plus minimum level. So we need to compute the maximum stock level also. And we already knew, in order to calculate maximum stock level and minimum stock level, it is unavoidable to calculate a reorder level. So first we are going to calculate reorder level. So the formula for calculating reorder level is maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. So maximum consumption is available in your problem, that is 300 units, and maximum reorder period is also available, that is 6 months, so that we can directly substitute. Units into 6 months, we are getting 1800 units is your reorder level. So next we are going to calculate the maximum stock level. So the formula to calculate maximum stock level is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder quantity. So we can substitute a reorder level as 1800 units plus reorder quantity is available in your problem, that is 760 units. We can substitute that 760 minus minimum consumption is available in your problem 200 units. So substitute 200 units into minimum reorder period is 2 months. So if you substitute all the values, if you add 1800 plus 760, you will get 2560 units minus 200 into 2, 400 units. So on the whole, you will get 2160 units is your maximum stock level. So next we are going to calculate minimum stock level. So the formula to calculate minimum stock level is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. So in this problem, normal consumption is otherwise known as average consumption. So in this problem, it's onwards you can able to understand normal consumption and average consumptions are both are used for same term. So average consumption is available as 225 units. But what about normal reorder period? Here maximum reorder period and minimum reorder period is available. But what about or what is the normal reorder period? We need to calculate. Normal reorder period is nothing but the average of maximum and minimum reorder period. So note, normal reorder period is equal to maximum reorder period plus minimum reorder period divided by 2. So our maximum reorder period given in your problem is 6 months and minimum reorder period has given as 2 months. So if you average these two periods, you will get the normal reorder period, that is 8 by 2, you will get 4 months. So this is your normal reorder period. So we can apply. So reorder level in the formula, if you substitute, reorder level is 1800 units minus normal consumption is your average consumption. Average consumption in your problem is 225 units into normal reorder period. We calculated as 4 months. So if you substitute, you will get the value 1800 minus 225 into 4 comes 900 units. So your minimum stock level is 900 units. So with these values, we can easily calculate the average stock level. So if we use the first formula, so if you use this first formula, minimum stock level we calculated as 900 units plus half of reorder quantity. In your problem it has given 760 units. So 760 900 plus half of 760 is 380 units. So on the whole, the average stock level comes 1280 units. This is with the help of one formula. On the other hand, if we use the another formula, half of maximum stock level already we computed as 2160 units. So if you substitute 2160 units plus minimum stock level already we computed as 900 units. So substitute that 900. So totally you will get 1530 units. So this is the answer. So average stock level has two answers. One is 1280 and the another answer is 530 units. That's all. Thank you.